Now, before we get started, I need you guys to go right now and subscribe, like, and also share. Now, as you can see, I have received a package today from Walmart. Now, I had got me Power XL air fryer, so I will be opening up the box and showing y'all how the air fryer looks like. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I had ordered my package. It had came today, and it's the Power XL grill air fryer for home. So I'm going to open it up, and let's take a look how it looks like. All right, so took my package out. Now I'm going to open this up. See how it looks. Okay. All right. So, as you can see, it's the package right here. It's the Power Grill Air Home Fryer. So I'm gonna see how I'm gonna take it out. Let's see. All right. Have a little issue. Okay. There we go. Hopefully we got it. Okay. Let me push it out further. Jesus. Gotta wiggle it out or something. Let's see if I can. This way. It'll come out. Okay, this is better. Oh, and it's out. So as you can see, let me turn it this way. It says the #1 air fryer brand, and I can see you can cook a lot of stuff. It had 6-1 touch preset, Ripple Air technology, 500F removable grill plate, and it makes crispy power non-stick coating. So let's open it up and see. Okay. Now it comes with the manual to tell you, what type of food you can put in the air fryer. Comes with this. Let me sit this here. All right, I gotta find a way to take it out because I don't want to end up breaking anything in here. All right, so how do you take this out? Push this out. Oop. Oh, here you go. Now open it. So I already had opened it and it looks real nice. It has the timer to start air fryer roast, the grill, the bake and the preheat, the time and the temperature. It has this. And what's this? Oh, it does comes with the grill thing. There's the plug to it. There's the air fryer, like plate, something. So it must be removed before use. Let's take all this out. Now I think this is like the grill parts to the air fryer. Now where did I put my? Okay, there you go. Yeah, it's the grill part of the air fryer. That opens up. Yeah, there you go right here. So I don't know. This goes here. And I guess you put it. All right, not bad. Right there. So I will be basically gonna be testing it pretty soon, and I will keep you guys posted on how this actually works. And I actually do kind of like it. It's an easy close and fold, and you can make, I guess, any type of stuff that you want to make here. And yeah, so hopefully I'll try it out and I will let you know how it came out and how the food tastes with the Power X Grill air fryer. So guys, thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure that y'all like, share, and comment. And leave a comment down below and let me know what other type of video you would like to see me do. And I hope each and every one of y'all have a blessed day. And that's